As asset prices continue to fall, everyone keeps asking the same question. Is this the bottom or do we got more to go? Some people want to know when the bleeding will stop, and other people are sitting there licking their chops saying, I got cash and I want to know when to deploy it. Now, the real secret is that no one knows where the bottom really is. And some people would even argue it's not important to get the absolute bottom. But of course, there's plenty of strategists, plenty of people who analyze the market and various data points, and they go ahead and they try to inform you as to where the bottom of the market may be. One of those individuals, Liz Young over at SoFi, she had a great tweet this morning in which she stated, only 16% of NASDAQ stocks are trading above their 200-day moving average, getting close to levels of prior market bottoms, 2002, 2009, 2018, and 2020. She still won't call the bottom, but if you like watching these indicators, here we are. And so, of course, that's exactly what you should be doing with data. Is it doesn't tell you exactly where the bottom is. It doesn't tell you exactly when you should deploy fresh capital or when the bleeding will stop. But you can use this metric and many others to keep an informed mind. Trying to time the bottom of markets is as dumb as trying to time the top of markets. At the end of the day, the people who perform the best usually tend to be the people who buy great assets, they dollar cost average in them, and they hold them forever. Just as Warren Buffett said, our favorite holding time is forever. And that tends to be not only a better investment strategy, but it's also easier on your mental health. It's easier in terms of peace of mind. Stop trying to time markets. Stop trying to pretend you're a day trader. Stop trying to sit on every single piece of news and simply say to yourself, if I like an asset, and I loved it at a higher price, and now it's at a lower price, and I'm just going to continue to dollar cost average, then I don't need to change anything. Ultimately, I'm just picking up more of that same asset at a lower price. That's true of stocks, real estate, commodities, crypto, and almost any other financial market in the world. At the end of the day, the people who have the long time horizon, they don't freak out. They're not forced sellers. They don't worry about day-to-day price movements. Chill out. Life is good. Assets aren't going anywhere. They can't go down forever. And at the end of the day, if you understand what good assets are and you hold them for that long time period, this is just a blip on the radar that you might literally just laugh at later. That's the whole way investing works, and that is why being informed is important. But stop trying to day trade. You ain't a day trader. And just as Liz pointed out, there's no ability to call the absolute bottom. There's a lot of signals that are saying, pay attention, we may be close. Hey you, did you like this video? Great, we make 5 of them a day and post them here on this channel. Make sure you're subscribed, like the video, and see you next time.